Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to Top Tips with Maymay, and this one is a weird filming angle, but you got to see this, okay? This is my favorite new paper storage. You guys are going to love it too. Let me show you what I'm doing here. These little guys, we carry these in the store and I just think they're amazing. They work perfect in these little 12 by 12 storage cube shelves that you buy, you know, that we use like this. Okay, this one is for light colored scraps. This one is for dark colored scraps, and this one is for chipboard scraps. I love this setup. This one is for scraps from paper packs that I've had full sheets left over that I didn't want to save. Let me see if I can show you here. I normally put my 12 by 12s when I have a lot of them left. I put them in these things here. But when I just have one or two sheets or just a couple of sheets from a pack, I'll put them in here until I can use them. And this has become so handy. It sits to the left-hand side of my filming station. I can reach it in a split second. And I just know I have light, dark, and chipboard. And I always reach here first. I cannot tell you how much this has helped me. Because so many times back in the day when I had these in drawers and kind of hidden away from me, I wouldn't open the drawer and look for scraps. I would just get a new piece of paper. But here, when they're like this and I can just reach down and hook my finger in and open it and go, and I don't have to open anything, I can just dig in here like this and find scraps. This is actually pieces of full sheets of cardstock that are the last little bit of a pack that I've got, and I put them in here because I reach here first. I even have some vellum in here, which is a cool thing, and there's some acetate, just pieces of acetate. This one is scraps of colors. There's glitter, there's solid color pieces, and I save them just like that. So, just so you know, white, silver, gold, clear in here. Any darks, solids, glitters, anything dark in here, and chipboard in here. And I love that tip. If you have a spot like this in your craft room, it works out perfect to be able to just grab the color you're looking for really super quick and easy. So there you go. That's my top tip for today. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.